Okay, so let's go ahead and register on the portal. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the sign in link. I'm going to go ahead and register a new user. So let's go with a test. We'll go ahead and register. So when you first register, then it's just got the email address and the username. We don't have a first or last name. So you'll notice that the profile, we don't have the name listed here yet because we don't know what it is. And also you'll see that we've got that generic mystery person image that we're using that we set in the liquid code in the header web template. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll put in some information. And what I am going to do is I'm going to select the color purple. See what I did there? So we've gone ahead and we've put in that information, and I'm going to go ahead and update the basic profile information. So once we've done that, again, now we see the name and we see the image still. If I click there, I've got that link to change the profile image. You can see now there's the name in that slightly larger bold font. We can also see that because there are no records in the timeline linked to this, it says you don't have any uploaded profile images yet. So that's great. That's what we wanted to see. So I'm going to go ahead and update the photo. We'll go ahead and we'll browse out and we'll get Whoopi's photograph and we'll go ahead and upload that. And again, here's that confirmation that we're forcing again. So we're saying your image is being uploaded. We're reminding them it's going to take a few minutes for the new profile image to be visible within the portal. And that is obviously because we need time for that flow to run. So we need them to be aware it's not going to be immediate. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And what we should see in a moment is the redirect that takes them out of the iframe and moves them into the main, back to the main parent tab that they're in. Again, we're using a little bit more information just to remind them again, it's going to take a couple of minutes to see the new profile image actually be updated in the portal. So we're at that hidden page, that image updated page, and we can see we've been redirected there. Now, if we go ahead and let's move around in the portal a little bit, I'm going to go ahead to submit a support ticket just to bide a little bit of time and hope that the flow should be running. And let's go ahead. Oh, awesome. It is already updated. I don't even need to do the case. So that is fantastic. So if I now go back to the change profile image page, there's the photograph that was uploaded. It's been updated in here. If I now go into Dynamics and search for Whoopi, we can see that her image is now being used on the contact record in Dynamics 365. If we then go back to our flow, we can see here it ran successfully. The first condition was met with true. We went down to the next condition and that was met with true. And then we can see the green ticks next to all of these steps and all of that information was updated. So we've got a slight time delay, but as you can see, it didn't take that long for the flow to run and for everything to be updated. It creates a nicer experience for the end user to where they can actually keep their own profile record on file, which will then sync back into Dynamics 365 and update onto the contact record. Hope you enjoyed this.